Tired of messy Looker Studio dashboards with percentages that look like they belong in a science lab, not a business report? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily round those pesky percentages, creating a cleaner, more professional look for your reports in under 90 seconds. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the chart or table where you want to round your percentages, then click the Add a Field button. This is where we'll create a calculated field to handle the rounding. In the calculated field editor, give your new field a descriptive name, like rounded percentage. Now, in the formula field, use the round function. It looks like round your percentage field. 0. Replace your percentage field with the actual name of the field containing the percentage you want to round. The 0 tells Looker Studio to round to the nearest whole number. Next, and this is important, change the data type of your calculated field. Click the data type icon, usually showing number, and change it to %. This tells Looker Studio to treat the rounded value as a percentage. Now go back to your chart and ensure that your rounded percentage field is being used instead of the original percentage field. And that's it. Your percentages should now be neatly rounded to whole numbers, giving your dashboards a much cleaner and professional appearance. See how much better that looks? By using calculated fields and formatting options, you can easily control the display of percentages in Looker Studio and enhance the readability of your dashboards.